Welcome to the Generative AI Engineering course. Over the next 6 months, we'll take you on an exciting journey through the world of generative AI. You'll dive deep into the fundamental concepts of generative AI, learning how to build and deploy intelligent systems, generate human-like text and images, and explore other creative AI applications. Get hands-on experience with powerful tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch, and gain the skills to create applications in natural language processing and computer vision. We'll also cover the ethical considerations and best practices in AI, ensuring you're prepared to use this technology responsibly. This course is perfect for aspiring AI engineers, data scientists, software developers, and anyone looking to upskill in AI technologies. With comprehensive video lectures, code repositories, and reading materials, you will have everything you need to succeed, including access to research papers, practical assignments, and cloud-based development environments on Azure. Our expert instructors will guide you through each module, ensuring you understand the core principles and applications of generative AI. Engage in practical assignments and project work, all designed to give you hands-on experience and solidify your learning. Join us in the Generative AI Engineering course and unlock the potential of AI. Enroll now and start your journey today.